and bad thoughts and bad visions. That's my darkness in my soul, my heart cold. I'm just laughing, people always wanna know what happened. My life is really a movie, I just be living in action. I'm divergent, I handle it different, you not my faction. I haven't seen the best, I know you don't believe me. I know they gon' hate, try to take food off my plate. Then that trigger squeeze it, then that trigger squeeze it. You know my hustle different.
You know the hustle different.
You know my hustle different.
Yeah. Yo, man. Yo, crazy right now in the check-in, man. You already know what it is. I'm out here in BK right now, Canarsie. Salute to everybody in Canarsie right now, man. For real. In the AM grinding right now, man. That was a new joint exclusive by my man Q. Salute to the whole Lit Act, you know what I mean? They coming up, man. They making the noise. They knocking down doors, man. I'm saying I still ain't getting nothing from YH, why hate, man. Somebody let them know, Soto Q, let them know, man. I need an exclusive, bro, for real, man. You know what I mean? Y'all doing y'all thing right now. Feeling, make sure y'all check them out, man. It's the AM Grind Takeover, S&E Radio. You already know what it is, playing some of the hottest underground artists coming out of Staten Island, all the boroughs, and across the world, man. Next joint I'm going to get into is by my man Stealth Bombs. He sent me a new exclusive. You already know what it is, man. Let's go.
Sometimes the face on my watch be froze. Gotta watch these hoes. Gun by my waist on a block, these no. Gotta watch these hoes. Run by the bank, make a drop, reload. Gotta watch these hoes. Round the clock, cake, don't stop, hell no. So I gotta watch these hoes. As I have her sit down and sip crystal, I had to bling my wrist out, so I had to bring a pistol. Ain't fucking with this crowd, no, fucking with this style flow. It's so official, huff and blow your shit down. Fat Joe told me jealous ones envy. Alpo style, snakes always acting friendly. I'm raw, product never stepped on by Mr. Bentley. Trying to go from Hyundai Sonatas to pushing Bentleys. I don't know why these congrators keep trying to tempt me. Body goons, I'm from the body, your problem is me. Motherfuckers need to stay in their lane. It's silverback, you orangutans, I ain't in your range. Kill all that, kill, fall back, but stay in your hangs. B&G, I ain't playing no games, know what I'm saying? We be on our grind, getting guap untold. Gotta watch these hoes. My nigga told me that you're Cody Joe. Oh no, gotta watch these hoes. 40 belows in the cold getting dough. Gotta watch these hoes. I be in the gut as the plot unfolds, watching these hoes. Son, soon as the paper come, that's when the haters come. They don't cut the mustard, I'm on that Grey Poupon. I'm from New York, they on that gun talk. Ableton, Body Town or Stapleton, or whatever state you from. I keep pies in the oven till the cake is done. And they despise, but I love it, I be making ones. Breaking in the dough, fake niggas fold. They on that throwback 80s shit, taking niggas gold. Or they try to catch you slipping, chasing niggas hoes. Fire shots in repetition, lay you in the hole. Crabs in the bucket, fuck it, the blood suckers. The hammer, I'ma tuck it, hold court in the street, justice. According to me, my heart got cold. Eyes on the back of my head, watching these hoes. Niggas nowadays way out of control. Gotta watch these hoes. The trigger throw bang, gunpowder go blow. Gotta watch these hoes. Bitches every age tryna hit you with the ball. Gotta watch these hoes. Such a difficult stage, they say it's the last day. Gotta watch these hoes.
was that exclusive joint by my man, Stealth Bombs. Good looking, bro, for the exclusive, man. It's crazy right now, yo. Got a lot of joints I'm playing right now, man. Next joint I'm about to go into is by my peoples from BK. You already know what it is. Stand up, man. Ape Gang Shot, Jay Shice, man. Let's go.
Yeah. Hold up. We going in, nigga.
Crazy right here, yo. Salute to Ape Gang Shot, man. Jay Shice, man.
On the move, my niggas never settle.
Top bills, the whole
FMB trying to get a settlement. All summer 16, know it's lit. We gon' take it to the top, that's where the 6. My niggas with me, they shoot shit. Get with you, they won't miss. Shots fired, you'll get hit. And my young hitters, they with the shit. Shooting them off like J.R. Smith when that AR spit. You ain't ready for the combat, my young hitters on everything. If you make a move, you'll get sprayed. Y'all niggas be looking lace. Home run when I hit the safe up in the crib. Like, where the cash, I need the bag, homie. Bitches on my dick, they love the style, they see the swag on me. Move around with them calibers, on the ground with my savages. Situations we handle it, APE with some animals. If you want the static, nigga, you can get this member. Put your body in the trunk and throw you right up in the river. Scary sight, when you see me Jack Thriller, niggas, yeah, they be alright. But my niggas way sicker, far from a beginner, and I'm praying every day. Lord knows that I'm a sinner, trying to change or be a winner. But if you get it twisted, then I come to get you. And all my niggas with me, so you better have your business. Trying to get this money, don't let it be no issues. Trying to get this work, don't let it get physical. Fucking with my bread, nigga, that's gonna be the enemy.
I'ma tell you niggas one time, get up on your own grind. Stop trying to jack mama, fool to see you black now. Have you falling one time, snitch a nigga, drop a dime. Thought you was about to shine, now you about to get in line. Reminisce about the past, when you niggas getting cash. Fuck living in the past, you niggas need to get some cash. Niggas bunch of pussies, niggas smell like ass. Niggas never gon' blow, cause your shit is just trash. Bitches wanna fuck with us, cause the way we living up. Henny and some kush, got these bitches swirling up. Dirty Sprite, ice crush, styrofoam, double cup. Niggas coming with a rush, niggas better give it up.
Yo, shit is crazy out here. FMB, AMG, you know what it is. It's your boy City. Niggas better get right, nigga. It's overtime on y'all niggas, you heard? Graveyard shit. It's easy, nigga.
You already know. Stop playing. See that gold?
Yeah. Salute to the whole FMB family. Ape Gang Shot, Jay Shice, Fetty Wap, you already know. Let's go, man. You already know on the AM grind, man. Turning up with y'all, man. Next joint I'm about to get into is a Classic. That's how I'm ending the show, with a Classic right now. Salute to everybody on the check-in, man. Salute to everybody listening right now. Salute to everybody just following, downloading the sessions so you can listen to them later. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you share on Facebook. Make sure you share on YouTube. Comment YouTube. I'm on Twitter. You already know what it is, man. Click that link, man. Here go the Classic. Let's go.
It's that time again. It's been too long. It's family reunion.
Mic check.
We got
Focus on Stretch Money, the dynamic duo.
Let's go.
The wolves is out, nigga.
Welcome to the Empire State.
Ain't nobody tryna rap gon' play me. I'll be at they crib with a couple hammers and a black old AV. Black gon' pay me, still get the smack off Baisley. Cause I'm touching more diesel than Shaq, old lady. Boy, you did it, I done it, I get it, I punish. The shit that I come with a separator rip from my stomach. I'm the boss, when I spit it, you love it. Matter of fact, I'm a Viking, I need a whole village to plumage. Yeah, the nigga is here, the city is scared. You got the throne, then I think I need to sit in your chair. We can really get physical here, and the sky's the limit, nigga. I'll put your whole clique in the air, baby. So quit playing for the clip spray him and have his ass MIA like Nick Saban. His whole shit caved in, my whole clique caveman. Hard body nigga, my whole shit paid equipment. You can't spit if you dead in the ground. In the woods where your head to be found. And it's good that you getting it now. In the precinct confessing it now. I can't fuck with the rest of you clowns.
I am the silence before the storm. Lincoln Park the order born. Sling rock on the same block that the water on. I be more than gone. Run and get your order form. Next time I record a song, gon' put my daughter on. Cause she realer than most niggas. I tote triggers for you broke niggas and gold diggers with no figures. That's why I palm it
pal. I don't get how this guy is a threat. I make his life a neck for a pie to the neck. Ride or die, do both niggas ride to the death. I acapella the whole left side of his chest. Not retiring, still got that pension pending. Tryna pop the hood and see the engine missing. Double barrel shotgun, had your men get missing. She got pretty brown eyes and she in mint condition. Or the sig in the car, you dissing more. Take the ratchet, go home and just crisp Benoit. Tell a bird like it is, you promised the broad. I one-liner, you Isaiah Thomas the broad. I can send a clip cartridge at a nemesis target and catch an ROR on some Genesis charges. Nah, I'll put the thing away. I don't even need a whole hairdo to clip them. All it takes is one finger wave. Been in the big for days, show you how I'm real. Come home to the truck with the Optimus Prime drill. Handed out crack, got the scene popping off. They not sleeping on them, the fiends is not north. All real, tell me Cal, you a thug and you Superman. I just seen you in the club doing a Superman. A bunch of clowns home, all I need in this world is the pound chrome, hustle brownstone. Major paper, cake by the layers. If these dudes is live, I'm the creative player. They calling them kings when they so hot. Something's wrong with that picture, must be photoshopped. I don't promote violence, but was sparking the flame. Arms start waving like the Carlton Banks dance. When them tunes go pop and move whole blocks. Coming around with your dog or get Cujo shot. These MCs is lame. I try to be an MC with brains. These niggas is MC brains. Being nice, rappers is far from being nice. I'm on a rooftop recording.
Make sure y'all tune in for the next episode, man. You already know what it is. Staten Island Takeover. Let's go.